Introducing August Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The August Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The August Doorbell Cam connects to any August smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate, always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August video recording and hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works.
SkyBell is a video doorbell that allows you to answer your door from a smartphone, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go.
Looks like a solicitor.
When a visitor presses the button, SkyBell sends a live video feed to your smartphone so you can see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi Kate, it's me.
Hi, Sarah. So happy you're here.
SkyBell is more than just a doorbell with a video camera. It's a smart device with exclusive features that give you even more convenience and control over answering your door.
SkyBell delivers additional security through a motion sensor that alerts you when someone is at the door. With a 1080p camera and full-color night vision, you'll see your visitor in crystal clear high-definition video, day or night. SkyBell's Wi-Fi is always on, allowing you to start a live video feed directly from the app so you can monitor your front door at any time. SkyBell gives you more safety, convenience.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi Shelly, you home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi Mom!
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch.